To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link given in description box below and also subscribe my Hindi channel. Hello and once again welcome back to my channel. I'm Radula and today I'm going to share a recipe for shakkarparas, which is also known as shankarpali in Marathi. These are sweet fried melt in mouth cookies made specially for Diwali festival, but they can also be served as a tea time snack. So let's take a look at the ingredients that we need. To make shankarpali, we need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, that is maida. Next we need 1 cup powdered sugar, 6 tablespoon ghee, that is clarified butter, 3/4 cup milk. Instead of milk you can also use 3/4 cup water. Half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon green cardamom powder and oil for deep frying. First we need to boil milk. Once you see milk has started to boil, switch off the heat and then add in powdered sugar. Keep mixing till sugar gets dissolved and gets combined with milk. We will use this mixture to make our dough for shankarpali. Keep this aside to cool down a bit. Next, in a large mixing plate or bowl, take all-purpose flour. Add in salt and cardamom powder. Give a mix. To this dry mixture, we need to add hot melted ghee. So in a small vessel, take ghee. Heat it till it gets to smoking point. You can see it has started to smoke. So now quickly take it off the heat and pour it onto the flour. This is hot, so using a spoon, mix it up. Check if the heat is comfortable for you to handle. Then using hand, mix this mixture till you get a crumbly texture. We need to rub this mixture so that ghee gets combined well with the flour. I have used 6 tablespoon ghee for 4 cups flour. This proportion is going to make shankarpalis flaky, crunchy and mouth melting. You can reduce the amount of ghee in this, but the texture of shankarpali will change and you will get less flaky, slightly hard and crispy kind of texture. So it's a personal choice what type of texture you would prefer, so use the amount of ghee accordingly. When you press this dry mixture, it should be able to hold its shape like this. Next, add in milk and sugar mixture that we made. Add little at a time and bring the flour together to make a dough. This dough is not going to be smooth and soft, so don't worry about the cracks that you get. The dough for shankarpali has to be slightly firm. So now cover this dough with wet cloth and let it rest for an hour. After an hour, take a large piece of dough. Knead it to make a ball. Now press it to make it flat. Roll it out to make a thick roti. We are not going to use dry flour while rolling. We just have to spread this dough evenly. And don't worry about the cracked ends. We are going to cut them later. If you find this dough too hard and crumbly and it is difficult for you to roll, then you can add little milk and again knead it to make it pliable. Don't roll this roti very thin. This much thickness is enough. Next we need to cut the cracked ends. to make a square. Make vertical and horizontal cuts to make shankarpali in a square shape. You can cut them in any shape you like. Next we need to fry them. But before frying, it will be better if you roll out rest of the dough and make all the shankarpalis. To fry, I have oil heating up in a kadhai. To check if oil is hot enough, put a piece of dough. You can see it has started to sizzle, but it is not getting brown very quickly. That means oil is hot enough. Don't drop shankarpalis one at a time, that way they won't fry evenly. It will be better if you take some shankarpalis in frying strainer and drop them all at once. Once you put them in oil, don't disturb them for at least a minute. Then very gently keep moving them around in oil to fry them evenly. We need to fry them till they get nice golden brown in color. Once you get this nice golden brown color, take them out on paper towel. After frying first batch, again check the oil by doing dough test and then put the shankarpais in it. Frying has to be done on low to medium flame and we need to keep on stirring frequently. I will cut one to show the texture. This recipe gives you soft, crunchy, flaky and mouth-melting shankarpais. As I said earlier, if you like crispy shankarpais, then reduce the amount of ghee in this recipe. Let the shankarpais cool down completely and then you can store them in an airtight container. They will stay good for a month. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel for more such yummy recipes. I will be back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.